Let us discuss types of guarantees. Now, guarantee may be either specific guarantee or continuing guarantee. Specific, as the word says, applies to a single debt or a single specific transaction. Transaction khatam, guarantee bhi khatam. Now, let's say that X offers to sell computers to Y for rupees 2 lakhs. Y will pay money. इसकी guarantee किसने ली है? S, the surety. Till when is he liable? Let's say X sold the computers, Y paid the money, transaction is over, guarantee comes to an end. What if Y fails to pay money? Then X can recover it from the surety. But transaction is over, the guarantee also comes to an end. What is continuing guarantee? It is a guarantee which applies to a series of transactions one after the other. Let's say that the bank agrees to give loan up to rupees 5 lakhs to X. X loan repay करेगा, इसकी गारंटी कौन लेता है? S, the surety. तो पहले बैंक ने 1 लाख दिया, फिर वापस 1 लाख दिया, फिर 2 lakhs दिया, उसके बाद में श्योरिटी बोलता है बस, now I am no longer liable. What if X defaults? I will have to pay more than 4 lakhs. I don't have more than 4 lakhs now. So he revokes his guarantee. The surety's guarantee comes to an end after revocation. So continuing guarantee can come to an end on revocation. Surety is liable until revocation of his guarantee. So over here, surety will be liable for the transactions which are incurred before his revocation, but he is not liable even if the bank gives 1 lakh after revocation. So that was continuing and specific guarantee for you.